Hey guys, what's up? SK Chasers here, and it's finally that time of year again. Severe weather. Right now there's a severe thunderstorm watch out for most of central North Dakota. None of Minnesota is in it, but it's looking like severe storms are possible for Minnesota. Very strong storms are going to enter in Minnesota later tonight, maybe around 10 to midnight. But right now, it's focusing more on the North Dakota side. As you can see up here in Fargo, North Dakota, right now it is pretty warm, sunny. We are not in the watch, so we are not currently in the watch. It looks like we're possibly gonna have some storms later tonight. But right now, for the storms that are here, there are large hail. In fact, right now I think right now that there's a storm and it's producing 1 inch in diameter here right now, and it's just probably 30 minutes into the kind of outbreak. No, tornadoes aren't very likely with this, but it's definitely possible. It's really hot. Not too humid, but a little on the humid side. You can see the winds just from the wind gusts are here, so it is still possible that we could have that damaging wind threat here in Fargo and places east. But right now it's west. That's looking like it's gonna hit. But yeah, I'll provide later updates. There is one warning out right now. I'll provide more updates in the coming hours. And if Fargo does get hit, then I will alarm you guys. But for now, thanks for watching.